Headquartered at the city of Zhejiang, in central west of Zhejiang province, where it has the most accessible in- and outbounding transportations. Zhejiang Guanglong Adhesive Products Company Limited was established in 2007 with its main sales office in Yiwu. Zhejiang Guanglong Adhesive Products Company Limited is specialized in the industry of developing, manufacturing, and distributing adhesive products. It has accumulated decades of manufacturing experiences and equipped with the most cutting-edge professional machineries. The company and its business have complied with ISO 9001. And is carrying out with a completed quality control system which ensures the scale of production, quality lasting, and hence to keep the company in a top position in capability of developing new items and its credibility in the industry. Our 70% of annual output are mapping into Asia, European, North American countries, and the rest are distributed domestically. As of today, we are specializing in the production of PVC electric vehicle tape, duct tape, cloth duct tape, warning tape, masking tape, lint roller, furniture protection, flashing tape. All our products from its incoming raw materials receiving all the way to the factory finished products are scientifically assured in a highest level of flawless. In the past few years, our sales has climbed up stably. Our products varieties, quality stability, plus our cutting-edge technology with all the leading trends, and more. Of course, our best after-sales service system has gained us the most favorable returns and great positive responses from markets, both abroad and domestic. In the future, Zhejiang Guanglong Adhesive Products Company Limited will keep its goals of keep it the best, if not the perfect, and always aiming the quality is our life. Zhejiang Guanglong Adhesive Products Company Limited will keep the promise to do our best to meet the needs of our customers and to win the win-win situation of tomorrow. Finally, as always, welcome and thank you for your business with Zhejiang Guanglong Adhesive Products Company Limited.